Good morning to all our engineers. Welcome back to Hospitality Engineering. Today we start another module called Soft Skills for Hospitality Engineers. Soft Skills, Module 13, Part 1. Communication in English. By the end of this module, you will know to greet people and introduce yourself. Name some countries, nationalities, and languages. Write a simple self-introduction. What is a noun? A noun is a word that describes a person, place, animal, or a thing. Here are a few examples of a nouns. Beach, bed and breakfast, dinner, doctor, food and guest. This beach is very clean. Here we describe the beach in this sentence, so it becomes the noun. Example of another sentence for the above-mentioned nouns. The bed and breakfast is the best restaurant. Breakfast is an important meal. Dinner is supposed to be very light. This doctor is very humble. The food which we consume should be healthy. A guest is very important to us. Some more examples of nouns are trip, vacation, wife, lunch, people, restaurant. We will see each noun in a sentence. This is my first trip to the United States. I want to go to Spain for my vacation. Michael's wife is from England. He eats lunch at the Spanish restaurant. More than 370,000 people live in Miami. This restaurant serves Japanese food. Few other examples of nouns related to places are as follows. If we describe about a place in our sentence, then it becomes a noun. For example, China, Argentina, Brazil, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, Korea, Mexico, Spain, England, United States. What is a pronoun? Pronouns are words that take the place of nouns in the sentence. We often use them instead of nouns in a sentence to avoid repeating the noun in the sentence. For example, Simon comes to our restaurant every day. Simon likes seafood. This can be written as Simon comes to our restaurant every day. And he likes seafood. Here we use the pronoun he, which refers to Simon. Some other pronouns which can be used are I, me, he, she, herself, you, it, that, they, each, few, many, who, whoever, whose, someone, everybody. Verbs. A verb is a word that describes the action of a noun. Here examples of verbs are running, eating, and typing. The followings are verbs: eat, greet, like, live, serve, speak. We can use above verb in the sentence as follows. 1 by own. I like to eat French food. Kate greets every guest at the bed and breakfast. He likes Chinese food. Gunther lives in Germany. They serve pizza and pasta at the Italian restaurant. Maria can speak English. What are adjectives? Adjectives are words that give more information about a noun or pronoun. Example of adjectives are as follows: favorite, great, interesting, married and Chinese. This is my favorite beach. Favorite is an adjective which describes the noun. She is a great teacher. The guests are interesting people. Jack and Ann are married. I ate Chinese food yesterday. Some of the other examples of adjectives are French, German, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, Spanish, American, Argentinian, Brazilian, British. Expressions. These are words which can be used for communicating with someone. Excuse me, used to interrupt someone politely. Excuse me, can you help me? My name is, used to introduce yourself. My name is Nina. Hi, used to welcome someone. Hi, how are you? Nice to meet you, used when you are happy to talk to someone for the first time. Nice to meet you, Simon. Hello, used to welcome someone. Hello, welcome to New York. Welcome, used to greet someone who is new to a place. Welcome to Chicago, I hope you like it here. I'm from, used to answer the question, where are you from? I'm from Spain, and you? Where are you from, used to ask someone where he or she was born. I'm from Italy, where are you from? Subject pronouns. Singular. Singular means one. Plural. Plural means many. I is a singular pronoun. We is the plural pronoun. The singular and plural form of you is you. He and she are the pronouns which indicate male and female gender. These are singular pronouns. The plural form of he and she is they. The singular pronoun for things is it. Plural forms are these, those. Hope that you have got an idea about parts of a sentence that is a noun. Pronoun, verb, adjectives, singular and plural words, and also expressions. Hope you all subscribe to our Hospitality Engineering channel, which is meant for the development of our young engineers as well as new engineering students. Sharing is caring. Don't hesitate to share with your team and engineering students. See you soon. Stay tuned with us. Thank you for watching.